enjoy, Dora. We'll be home soon.
Bye, love.
Bye, Mommy.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Hola, soy Dora.
Dora.
And this is mi amiga's Boots. I lost my puppy. Mi perro. Oh, no. Can you help me find him?
Okay.
That's great! Yeah, let's go. Excuse me, have you seen my puppy?
Yeah, right. I've seen it all over.
Okay. I'm so dirty right now. But have you seen my puppy?
I haven't seen it, not yet.
Sorry.
Okay.
I want to kiss the puppy.
I look like a bear. Yeah, you don't look like a monkey. Oh no, we're lost.
Oh my God, what do we do?
The map.
The map! Get the map out the backpack.
Where is it? It's inside. Get the map.
Oye, mami. I'm here.
Map!
Tranquilo, you look a little lost. Don't be stressed. I give you 3 letters. GPS. I'm the map. I'm the map.
That's my map. He keeps us on track. When I leave home, he's got my back. Hold up!
Can you find the twerkers?
Back. We're so cool, the way we rap.
You look a little hungry. Here's a snack.
Thanks for the fruit.
You know I got you, boo. You're my best friend.
What about Boots?
Yeah, just go down the block and make a left.
Okay, cool. Can I use this?
Yep.
Thanks.
Bye.
Oh no, we can't go arriba or down.
So,
I don't know.
say it.
Say it. Through! Yeah!
Ay, Dios mío! What do we do? It's a mountain. Do we go under?
What do I do?
Do we jump? Do we go? Thanks for nothing, you idiot.
Yay, we're almost finished.
We made it, Dora.
Do you hear that?
What is that?
Swiper.
Help us find Swiper.
Is he here?
Or there. Huh?
I love you, Dora.
Louder.
Louder! Louder!
Louder, for God's sake!
Behind us! Oh, no. Swiper. Oh, no, Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, cut that Swiper.
Yeah.
Dora, that was hot.
Let's go before the cops come.
Yeah, what the hell is this? The cops.
There she is.
Yay!
Thanks,
Oh, the
guys.
We did it! Gracias, amigo!
Gracias.
The song! We did it! 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 We did it!
We did it.
Where'd it go?
Where we gonna go?
Who took her?
I quit.
Where did she? Whatever.
Honey, we're home. Hi. We have a surprise for you.
Surprise!
Is it the cutest?